Today I will show how to convert any video to animation video. I will include the link in the description. Simply go enhance.ai. This is a free AI tool. Try enhance.free. Now create an account. After create an account, you see the display and video to video. In free version, you only have minimum file size 30 MB and video duration is 5 seconds. If you want to more than, you need to buy this pro version. Okay, simply upload your video here and select a style. I will choose anime style 2 and select video duration and video speed and click generate. After generate, you click here and see it, and you can download in here. If you don't satisfy, you can regenerate in here. Remember, for in free version you have only 45 credit for every month. If you want more, than upgrade in here. Thank you for watching. See you next video.